The dining philosopher's problem is a classic example in computer science, often used to illustrate synchronization issues and solutions in concurrent algorithm design. Consider this scenario. There are three philosophers who spend their lives only thinking and eating. These three philosophers sit in a table surrounded by three chairs, each belonging to one philosopher. At the center of the table is a bowl of food, and the table is laid with three single chopsticks. There are two possible actions for a philosopher in this scenario. Either a philosopher will think or they will eat when they are hungry. In order to eat, the philosopher will need to pick up two chopsticks, one on their left and one on their right. A philosopher is only allowed to pick up one chopstick at a time. Once the philosopher is done eating, they will put down both their chopsticks and begin their thinking process. The first problem we can notice is that if two philosophers sitting side by side get hungry and try to eat simultaneously, they will not be able to do so as they will only be able to pick up one chopstick each. Eventually, a philosopher may end up starving to death as they are unable to eat. This shows us the problem that may occur in the operating system during the allocation of limited resources among several processes. One solution we can implement to solve the dining philosopher's problem is to use a semaphore to represent a chopstick. A chopstick can be picked up by executing a wait operation on the semaphore and released by executing a signal semaphore. This will ensure that no two philosophers sitting side by side will be eating simultaneously. This solution, however, results in a deadlock as if every philosopher is hungry at the same time and pick up their left chopstick, there will be no more chopstick available on the table, and the philosophers will be delayed forever if they try to grab their right chopstick. To remedy this deadlock problem, we can decrease the number of philosophers sitting at the table so that there are more chopsticks available than there are philosophers. We can also only allow a philosopher to pick up their chopstick only when both chopsticks are available.